Hi, welcome to this particular test. This is all on grammar and punctuation, just grammar and punctuation. So this first question is asking us in the sentence below, which words are adjectives? Remember that adjectives are describing words or descriptive words. So the phrase that we have here is the beautiful red roses were in bloom during the warm weather. So what are we looking at here? What are the descriptive words? Let's just circle them for now. So the beautiful, I'll say beautiful is a descriptive word. Red, roses. So the roses are being described as beautiful and red. So I would say that's one. And that's two. Were in bloom during the warm weather. So the weather is being described as warm. So I would say that the answers would be beautiful, red, and also warm. So these are the three adjectives and three descriptive words. So the rest of the questions are very different in terms of grammar and punctuation. So try your best and we'll follow these up in our next class. Thank you.